morning, everyone. Welcome to quarter 2, week number 2 of Mathematics 5. So, our learning competency. At the end of the lesson, you should be able to compare and arrange decimal numbers. And you're going to add and subtract decimal numbers through thousands without and with regrouping. So, lesson number 4, compare and arrange decimal numbers. So let's have an example. Compare each pair of decimal numbers using symbols greater than, less than, or equal. So example number 1, 0 and 35 hundredths compared to 6 tenths. So in comparing decimal numbers, let's use this table. So 35 hundredths compared to 6 tenths. So what would be the symbols that we're going to use? Is it greater than, less than, or equal? First, we're going to make the two decimal same place value. Okay, so we're going to add 6 tenths 0, so it becomes 60 hundredths. So who is greater than now? Who is greater now? Is it 35 hundredths or 60 hundredths? Very good, grade 5 pupils. It is 6 hundredths. So 6 hundredths is greater than 6 tenths is greater than 35 hundredths. Next, let's proceed to example number 2 to further uh, understand how to compare each pair of decimal numbers. So 2 tenths compared to 12 hundredths. Who is greater now? So again, let's use the table. 2 tenths compared to 12 hundredths. So again, make the two decimal same highest place value. So add 0 to 2 tenths. So it becomes 20 hundredths. Now, who is greater now? Is it 20 hundredths or 12 hundredths? Very good, grade 5 pupils. It is 20 hundredths or 2 tenths. Next, number 3. 2 and 7 tenths compared to 2 and 70 hundredths. Is it greater than, less than, or equal? So again, let's use the table. 2 and 7 tenths, 2 and 70 hundredths. So again, make the two decimal same highest place value. Now, is it greater than, less than, or equal? Very good, grade 5 pupils. Is it equal? Next, now this time you're going to arrange from least to greatest the set of decimal numbers. So this would be the example. We have 185 thousands, 6 tenths, 32 hundredths, 26 hundredths. Now, in arranging this decimal, again, we're going to use the table. If you know already the highest place value, you cannot use the table. But if you're not familiar with the place value, I suggest use the table in arranging the decimals. Okay, so again, make all the decimals same highest place value. So the highest place value is in thousands place. So all of them are in a thousands place. You're going to add 0. Now, let's arrange. So from least, who is least in this decimal? Okay, so the least decimal is 185 thousands. So this would be 185,000. This would be incorrect. 185,000, 260 thousands, and 320,000 to 600 thousands. So this would be example number 4. This should be incorrect. Next, number 5. 351 thousands, 7 tens, 8 hundreds, 45 hundreds. So again, use the table. So if you already know the answer, you're going to write all the zeros again, and then arrange from least to greatest. Least is 80 hundreds. Second is 351 thousands, and 450 thousands, and 700 thousands. So this is the process on how to arrange the decimal from least to greatest, or greatest to least, or the process in how to compare the decimal numbers. Now let's proceed in addition and subtraction of decimal numbers through thousands without and with regrouping. So here are the steps in addition and subtraction of decimals. First, you're going to write the decimal numbers in column. Second, you're going to add or subtract the decimal numbers like a whole number. And then the third one, align the decimal point of the answer to the decimal numbers above. So let's proceed. So solve for n. So 25 and 3 tenths plus 4 and 482 thousandths is equal to n. We're going to find the value of n. So arrange the, the decimal numbers to in column. So we're going to align the decimal point vertically. Then add 0 to make it uh, the same highest place value. So perform the operation. 0 plus 2, we have 2. 0 plus 8, we have 8. 3 plus 4, we have 7. Then 5 plus 4, we have 9. And bring down 2. So bring down the decimal point again. So now the final answer is 29 and 782 thousandths. Next, let's proceed to example number 2 to further analyze this topic. So 68 and 45 hundreds plus 4 and 657 thousandths is equal to n. Again, align the decimal numbers vertical in column, and then align the decimal point vertically. Okay, next, add 0 if possible to make the same highest place value, and then perform the operation. The operation is addition. So 0 plus 7, we have 7. 5 plus 5, we have 10. So 0, carry 1. And then 4 plus 6, we have 10 plus 1, 11. We have carry 1. And then 8 plus 4, we have 12, plus 1, we have 13, carry 1, and then 6 plus 1, we have 7. And then bring down the decimal. Okay, so the final answer is 73 and 107 thousandths. Next, sample number 3. This would be a subtraction. 863 and 76 thousandths subtracted by 31 and 43 hundredths is equal to n. Again, align the decimal point vertically. So this would be in 863 and 76 thousandths minus 31 and 43 thousandths. So align the decimal. So perform the operation. 6 minus 3, we have 3. 7 minus 4, we have 3. Then 3 minus 1, we have 2. 6 minus 3, we have 3. And then bring down 8. Then bring down also the decimal point. So the final answer is 832 and 33 hundredths, thousandths. Now, for your reminders for this topic, you're going to answer assessment in page number 9. This would be you're going to arrange the decimal from greatest to least. And then for your assessment in page number 10, you're going to solve the following decimal numbers. You're going to add or subtract and then answer the following questions. So I hope you learned something today, grade 5 pupils. That's all. Thank you and God bless.